Oh, I missed. No. I got a pretty fun build set up today. Going to be making a soundbar for a home entertainment system made out of solid walnut and MDF. I just looked up a YouTube video on how to talk better in front of the camera, and one of the things they suggested was put a picture of your best friend up next to the camera. That's the picture I chose. This video is not sponsored by Coke. Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola.
Recording sound?
Yeah.
Hello everyone in YouTube land. I know you're watching this, and I'm Larry DeBona. I'm more famous than David.
Did I do that?
No.
That's actually a lie.
Oh yeah, that's not even true. Close to true.
Alright, just got done marking out where all the holes are going to go on the plate. You probably can't see them, but these are all the M&Ms I have to cut. I need 8 M&Ms, 6 M&Ms, 25 M&Ms, and 34 M&Ms. All that. Yeah, it's a joke, by the way. I'm not really going to cut M&Ms. It's millimeters, if you couldn't tell. Whoa! Nothing happened. I'm going to stop recording and keep moving on. Alright, the test went well. Time to take the whole thing apart and finish it up. Just have to do that 100 more times. What the heck?
I don't know, boy. Kind of think you should have started from the edge.
It's fine.
Yeah, it's not square. What are you gonna do with this?
Nothing I make is square.
You're just gonna put a what?
What? Right here.
You're just gonna put a little piece at the end. And then what are you gonna do? Cut it?
Yeah, I think I'm gonna use a flush trim router bit.
I have no idea what that is, but yeah, okay. Flush trim bit?
Yeah, like you just.
Okay, don't fuck it up.
12 seconds later.
What's okay? It's not okay.
Okay, don't fuck it up.
Okay, after a moment, it occurred to me that I just had to take that piece out and put a new one in. Problem solved.
Well, you could fix it if you do, too. You can
No,
just pull
you
the
can't.
piece off, can't you?
Oh, well this, yeah.
Yeah.
Not the end. After an extensive period of blood, sweat, and tears, it's time to put this puppy together. Something I really hope somebody sees someday. I'm not going to mention any names, but that's a knot right there, and it looks really good. You know why it looks really good? Because it's artistic. It's a knot. It looks good. It's part of trees, and this piece has blue tape on the front. Came out beautiful with a knot. Knots. Take 100. Here we go. Starting from the top. Alright. Hey, if you made it this far into the video, thanks for watching, and leave a like. Headphone users, warning, there is going to be a loud test of audio coming your way in about 10 seconds. Hey, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It took a long time to make, and I would really appreciate it if you guys leave a like and subscribed. And please share the video with all of your friends and family. The music was free from the audio library channel from YouTube. I will be linking their channel in the description below. Please check them out. They make great music every day. Thanks again, guys, and I'll see you all on the next one. Take one with music. Here we go.